Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sumnima, guys. So it's weekend and I'm just going to enjoy myself. I just want you to tag along with me while I go for shopping. Right now I'm just having my tea and my bread. This is my favorite time of the day, my tea time. Today I have a few things that I'm thinking of, and if I do end up buying anything, I'm just going to probably do like a haul or like just, you know, unboxing at the end of this video, but I'm not sure. If I don't buy anything, then nothing, but I'm just trying to make this list in my mind as to where to go and what I should buy, because that mall is huge. The mall is huge. Besides that, yeah, cheers. I'm going to finish my tea. Is it just me, or do you guys start your day really late on weekends as well? Like hold on. It's about to be as I was saying, I usually start my weekend really late. But it's okay because I don't have that much to shop. I just hope that I can capture everything and everywhere I go, and especially the stores, because I'm definitely going to ZARA, Sephora, probably Artzia, and I want to look for some accessories as well. You know what? This is weekend. I'm gonna enjoy and chill. So it's okay. I'll take my time to finish my tea, and I'm going to put on my lipstick and then get dressed and leave. So I hope you'll enjoy, and if you do, please subscribe. I do see you subscribing to my channel, so I'm also very, very thankful for that. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Thank you, and I'll see you next. Alright guys, I took forever with that tea, but before I head out, I just wanted to show you the outfit for today. I have my camel blazer on, my camel pants on, and then my Louis, and then for my shoes, I'm wearing my favorite sneakers, Nike, because it just makes it look not that formal. I don't know when, but I started liking BTS, so and my dress up today is inspired by V, which is loose fit blazers and, you know, the suits. It's really cute. I usually like shopping when it's less busy, especially on weekends. It's always so crowded there, so I prefer going either in the morning or late in the evening. So as you can see, I'm going there late in the evening, and I hope there won't be crowd as much. I really like these heels, guys, but I don't know if I should buy it. Oh, you know what? There's some kind of... No, I'm not gonna buy it. So I love this. I don't know if I should get it though. Should I get this or not? Mirror. Yes, please.
No problem. I do too.
So now we're going to Sephora.
Let's see which ones we have though.
Okay, thank you.
The ones we have right now. Each walk in my way.
Oh, okay. I see it. Like the smaller one. So.
Yeah, that's always a good option.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
Yeah.
I can never decide, so I just get all the
I
little
know.
ones.
Me too. Thank you. So the mall is closing. That's why it's very empty, which works for me because now I can record and I can talk to myself. So there is Chanel, but it's not bags. It's just accessory. I'm sorry, it's just makeup. So I'm just going to give you a tour. I probably just covered like 5% of the entire mall. There you go, there's Burberry. Wait, let me show it. Yeah, so that's Burberry right there. Let me just show you some bags. Ta-da! Look at that. Look at the blue one. Bomb. I just love how it's empty right now. Seriously. It's not awkward to talk like a weirdo. And obviously there's Gucci, but it's closed, so window shop, I guess.
What's good, y'all?
Hey.
It's Ray Too Low. Go follow me on YouTube and subscribe.
Thank you. Alright, so I'm going to shut it down. I'm done with shopping. Alright, so it's 9:15 and it's time to go home. I don't know if I'll do anything at home, so I'm going to just show you what I got in this short time. So I got this from Madewell, this beautiful ring. Trendy. Oh, I'll show it to you. I bought a lot of stuff from Sephora, which is surprising or not surprising because I was not thinking that I would buy anything, but I did end up buying it. Oh, I'm right next to Neiman Marcus, just so you know. I was planning to go there, but by the time I came here, it was closed. I got some. Everything today is for hair though. My shampoo, like Olaplex and all, and I got some sample perfumes. That was sweet of her. She just gave it to me. She was really sweet. And then she gave me Giorgio Armani. And I bought a perfume from YSL. This is how I usually spend my weekend. Not shopping, but like doing whatever I want to without any plans. I just chill and just, you know, like take that day to just enjoy it. I would love to know how you guys spend your weekends. Just you can comment below. But it's a wrap for today. It was a good shopping. Like I said, I wasn't actually planning to buy clothes anyways, and the queue was just horrendous. So there was no way that I was going to stay in that queue to buy like something that I don't even really actually need. I'm so lost right now. I don't even know. I'm so hungry right now. My brain is not functioning. I need to eat something. That's all. But I hope you enjoyed. And if you like the vlog, guys, please do subscribe. If you're a ZARA fan, I'm right next to ZARA. Where is ZARA? Ah! Oh, there you go. Well, you can actually see it.